Ever wondered if you can invest in stocks without the hassle of a traditional brokerage account? In today's digital age, investing has become more accessible than ever. One popular platform that has gained traction is Stash. But here's a question that often pops up. Does Stash require you to provide your identification? Understanding Stash. What is Stash? A micro-investing app that allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, and bonds, often with fractional shares. Why is Stash popular? It's user-friendly, affordable, and offers automated investing features. The ID question. Common misconception: many people believe they need to verify their identity before using Stash. The truth: while Stash does have KYC, Know Your Customer, procedures in place, they're not always required up front. When does Stash require ID? Large deposits. If you're planning to deposit a significant amount of money into your Stash account, you may be asked to provide identification to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Withdrawals. When you want to withdraw funds from your Stash account, you will typically need to verify your identity to prevent fraud. Certain investment options. Some investment options, such as options trading or margin accounts, may require additional verification. The benefits of early verification. Faster transactions. Verifying your identity beforehand can expedite your deposits, withdrawals, and access to certain investment features. Enhanced security. Providing your identification helps Stash protect your account from unauthorized access. Peace of mind. Knowing your account is secure can give you greater confidence in your investment decisions. How to verify your identity on Stash. Simple process. Stash typically provides clear instructions on how to verify your identity. Common methods. You may be asked to upload a photo of your ID, take a selfie, or answer security questions. Stash's commitment to security. Encryption. Stash uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal information. Regular audits. The platform undergoes regular security audits to ensure compliance with industry standards. Alternatives to Stash. Robinhood, another popular micro-investing app that also offers fractional shares. Acorns, an app that automatically invests your spare change. Wealthfront, a robo-advisor that provides personalized investment advice. Conclusion. Recap. We've explored whether Stash requires ID and found that while it may not be necessary initially, verification can be beneficial for faster transactions, enhanced security, and peace of mind. Call to action. If you're considering investing with Stash, be prepared to verify your identity when needed. It's a simple process that can help protect your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.